Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the air filter on a Chevy Express 2500. The first thing you're going to do is unlock the hood. And the little handle that you need to pull on is right there. And the hood prop is on the right side here. So here's the air filter housing right here, and the way you're going to get the air filter out is there's a clip right here. You unlatch that, and on the inside unlatch that one, and this whole cover should come off. So you wiggle that out. Now here's your air filter, and just pull that out. It goes around a tube on the end there, and so now you can go ahead and check your air filter and replace it if you need to. So just stick it back in there. You'll kind of feel it get up against there and go over the little tube. So you can slide this back over. And you line up these two arrows. Flip one side and then the other side. And there we go.